In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google AdSense email address. AdSense uses the email tied to your Google account, so the change happens in your Google account settings. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to expect, plus what to do if your primary email can't be changed. Start by opening your AdSense dashboard on a computer. Look to the left side panel, click Account, then choose Settings, and then Personal Settings. This section shows the basics tied to your AdSense profile and includes a link to your broader Google account. Next, select Edit Password in Google Accounts. Even though it mentions password, this link takes you to your Google Account Hub where you manage personal information, including your email. It may open in a new tab, and you might be prompted to sign in again for security. Once you're in your Google account, look at the left-hand menu and click Personal Info. Then, Find and select Email. This page shows the email currently associated with your Google account. Click on your Google account email to attempt to change it. If your current email is a non-Gmail address, you'll typically be able to update it here. Enter the new email you want to use and watch for a verification message sent to that address. You'll need to open that message and confirm to complete the change. After verification, the new email becomes your Google account email, and that update carries over to AdSense. If you don't see an option to change it, or the field is locked, that means your account uses a Gmail address. Google doesn't allow changing the primary Gmail address on an account. In that case, you can't replace the Gmail, but you can adjust how Google contacts you. You can update your contact email or add alternate emails from the same email section. Contact and alternate addresses are useful for receiving notifications and, in some cases, for signing in, as long as they're verified. Add the address you want, check your inbox for the verification email, and confirm it to activate. A few quick tips as you finish up. Changes to your Google account email affect all Google services connected to that account, including AdSense. If something looks out of sync, sign out and sign back in. Keep alternate and recovery emails up to date to avoid losing access. And remember, the steps we covered are the official path to manage your email for AdSense. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your AdSense email set exactly the way you want it.